Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make informed purchasing decisions. In today's video, we'll be comparing two popular robot vacuums, the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum and the iRobot Roomba Combo. These smart cleaning devices are packed with features that will make your cleaning routine a breeze. So let's dive into the comparisons and find out which one is the best fit for you. Let's start with the price. The Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum is priced at $599, while the iRobot Roomba Combo comes in at $349. So if you're on a budget, the Roomba Combo might be the more affordable option for you. When it comes to cleaning performance, both these robot vacuums excel. The Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum boasts incredible suction power, ensuring that no dirt or debris is left behind. It even has a self-cleaning brush roll to tackle pet hair and anti-hair wrap technology. On the other hand, the iRobot Roomba Combo features a 4-stage cleaning system with dual multi-surface rubber brushes that adjust to different floor types, making it efficient at picking up dirt and avoiding tangles with pet hair. Versatility is another important factor to consider. The Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum offers precision home mapping with its 360 degrees lidar vision, allowing it to navigate your home methodically and adapt to changes. It also has a self-emptying base that can hold up to 60 days of dirt and debris, eliminating the need for additional disposal bags. On the other hand, the iRobot Roomba Combo is not just a vacuum but also a mop. With a simple switch of the bin, it can transition from vacuuming to mopping, saving you time and effort. Both these robot vacuums come with smart features that make cleaning even more convenient. The Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum can be controlled hands-free with voice commands using Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. It also has a recharge and resume feature, allowing it to pick up where it left off after recharging. The iRobot Roomba Combo, on the other hand, learns your home and creates an imprint smart map, allowing you to direct it to clean specific rooms with voice commands through Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant-enabled devices. Based on online reviews, here's the overall assessment of the two robot vacuums. And there you have it, a detailed comparison of the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum and the iRobot Roomba Combo. Both these robot vacuums offer exceptional cleaning performance and smart features, but they do have their unique strengths. The Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum shines with its powerful suction and self-emptying base, while the iRobot Roomba Combo stands out with its versatility as a vacuum and mop. Ultimately, the choice comes down to your specific needs and preferences. We hope this video has helped you in making an informed decision. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Until next time, happy cleaning.